Do you ever just not know what to do with yourself? So you just like go exploring, like go out somewhere, go into nature, because that's literally me like all the time now. Like I just go out on my own little expeditions. You gotta like your own company, come on. But at the same time, like anxiety and mental health is a fucker, so sometimes you can trick yourself into thinking that you like your own company, but really you're just trying to distance yourself from people because you don't know whether you're coming or going, you know? But it's all gonna be alright, because look what I literally just stumbled across. That should be perfect for me. Oh my god.